Hi everybody, now we will continue 4.2 kilometers and miles. 4.2 kilometers and miles, part 3. Now the workbook, page 26. Now question 4. You have to remember thing, if you want to convert from kilometer to mile, you have to multiply by 5/8, and from mile to kilometer multiply by 8/5. Remember multiplying fractions. Now question 4, convert the distance in kilometers into miles. So from A to D you have to multiply, you have to convert from kilometer to miles, so you have to multiply by 5/8. So let's take A 15 88 question 4. Now here 88 times 5/8. You have to multiply each number in question 4 by 5/8. So remember multiplying fractions over 1. The common factor between 88 and 8, which is 8. 8 by 8 1, 88 by 8 11. So 11 by 11 times 5 55 miles. Now for B 72 times 5/8, it's over 1, it's 9. 9 times 5 45 miles. Now C 120 times 5/8, it's over 1. So here 8 and 120. Let's try 4. 8 divided by 4, which is 2. 12 divided by 4, which is 30. And 2 and 3 also. 2 by 2 1, 30 by 2 15. So here 15 times 5 75 miles. Now D 200 times 5/8, so it's over 1. Now let's say the common factor between 200 and 8 is 8, so 8 by 8 1. 200 by 8, let's do it. I don't know, 2, this is 16. 20 minus 16 4, so this is 5 25, so this is 25. Now 25 by 120 100, 25 times 5 125 miles. So this is for question 4. Now for question 5, you have miles. You want to convert from miles to kilometer, you have to multiply by 8/5. This is for question 5. Now let's discuss question 5. Now question 5, A 15 miles times 8/5 now over 1, which is 5 by 5 1, 15 by 5 3, 3 times 8 24 kilometer. Now for B you will get 40 kilometer, and C 88 kilometer. This is for question 5. Now question 6, the same thing, from miles to kilometer. Also you have to multiply by 8/4. Question 6, 30 miles times 8/5 over 1 by 5 1 by 5 6. 6 times 8 48 kilometer. This is for A. Now for B 480 kilometer, the final solution. Now C 72 kilometer. For D 7,200 kilometer. Now question 7, which is further, 128 kilometer or 75 miles? Show your working. So here for question 7, now for question 7 we have 128 kilometer, 75 miles. هلا look here I will يعني you have here we have different units, kilometer or miles. You can change from kilometer to miles or from miles to kilometer. I will here change 75 miles to kilometer. So 75 times 8 over 5, so it's 1, so it's 15 over 1. 8 times 15, how much? Okay, 5, 2, 7. Okay, now 15 times 8, this is 5 times 8, 14, so 120. So 120, so equal 120 kilometer. So here the first distance we have 128 kilometer, the second distance we have 120 kilometers. So 128 kilometer is more than 120 kilometer. Now question 8 the same thing, question 9 also the same way. If you have any question you can ask me. Thank you so much and